but I've been following another truck in front of me, so if he can't get around something, then I can't. So
that's true.
Yeah. So it works out well.
So what time did you get over the train?
Sorry?
What time did you get on the train?
I don't know, I don't. 9 o'clock maybe, I don't know, 9:30. So by now we've had a day of it. We are pretty much just going through the border at Aachen, pretty much just heading into Germany now. Believe it or not, today has been quite a stressful day. We spent almost 2 hours, or an hour and 30 minutes, trying to get around certain parts of Belgium due to motorway closures, roadworks and accidents combined. So by this stage, just eager to just get cracking. Didn't think we made very good progress, so this is us just going through the border at Aachen, heading on down to Frankfurt. Soon we will be stopping for a night out in Germany. Can't remember the services I ended up staying in the end, but all in all, up until the point of getting into Belgium, the trip was running smoothly. Once we got through Belgium and through past Aachen into Germany, the trip became so much easier, less traffic, which is more rewarding. So all good at the end of the day. So we're not, I'll tell you when we're leaving. Let me have a look. I've got 24 minutes until I can put my card in. Then I'll do my checks. And then we'll be on our way. So I'm going to make this tea. Go and do my teeth. Have a wash. Get my ticket to get out of here. By the time I come back, it'll be time to put the card in, go and do my vehicle checks, and then we'll be on our way. We're only about an hour and 10 minutes away, so we should arrive about 7:15, 7 o'clock, something like that, for our first delivery. I'll keep quiet now. So we are almost pretty much approaching our final destination here in Frankfurt. Um, However, we have changed the format of the way we've done this video due to the fact of a real lack of views. So I thought I'd just put this together very, very quickly to see if it gets any traction. If there's no traction, then there'll probably be no more videos. Um, but what I will say about this job in Frankfurt is some of the views have been stunning. I've not shared all the views because, believe it or not, the sun was very bright and I couldn't get what I wanted to get. However, um, what you are seeing is pretty much my journey from the UK through the border, or across the border, should we say, from into Belgium, from Belgium through the border again at Aachen, for the German border. This big building here on the left, I believe, is a terminal. It is enormous. If you haven't been there, trust me, it is absolutely huge. Final approach we are just on now. As we turn this corner on the right hand side, the building on the left, the white building, believe it or not, that is a police station. So yeah, quite a big one as well. So a little slip road here that we're going to pull into very, very shortly is just in front of the security gates for tour free, pretty much cargo free, over at the Frankfurt airport. Once again, guys and girls, thank you ever so much for watching. For those of you watching, I really thank you. Couldn't thank you enough. However, I am on TikTok and Instagram, putting more content on there rather than on YouTube as of now. Thanks for watching once again. Stay safe. Keep on trucking. Thank you very much. Over and out for now.